Showing you how to implement text ahead fields. So basically what text ahead fields are. So if I show you, it's building that up. So basically as you can see, if you search on Google, so if you type something, like if you type burger or something name, it will recommend like next parameters in the sentence, right? It helps you to autocomplete the sentence. Basically the simple terms would be autocomplete. So for that I am using one package which is we call text ahead fields. So you can check the package in the PubSpec YAML and you can search it for text ahead detector. It's a detector. So much package. Let me search it for you. Flutter type ahead. So basically I'm using Flutter type ahead. I am using the static version because I have like certain packages which are conflicting with that, so that's creating an issue. I will just rebuild the app so it does not create any problems. Okay, so I need to go out of this. Sorry for that. It's building. So I think type ahead for the 4.07 and it's gonna work, right? Yeah, cache and network image and right. So ready. So prototype ahead, I will moving forward how to implement that. So you can see I'm using in my own app, so it has so many parameters and so many labs too. So starting with one of the main thing is a text field configuration, and text field configuration needs a controller just like a text editing controller. Then it has autofocus, expands, enable intersection, enable, like these are the feature like we implement like for the elements, right? So this is for that. After that you have enable suggestion, you can snapshot, like this is like features I am using. So what I'm doing right now is like autofocus and everything is constant, but I am waiting for the data to come from the Firebase for the suggestion, because it requires a list of suggestion. So if you can see, I'm using a stream builder over here from the Firebase. If you don't have the knowledge of the Firebase, like watch my previous video, it will help you a lot. After that, go to the suggestion, and in the list of suggestion it is adding the values from the Firebase. It is simple loop and nothing else. After that, text editing controller interface, and there's this enable suggestions, style theme, decoration. In the decoration is nothing, we are just decorating it. So just like a regular text field decoration, it has print style, it has print text, content padding, error style, error border, and outline including errors, and border radius like 30. I'm just using as per my design. If you can see my app is building, I will show you how it works. After that, it's like focus error border radius, border size, disable border, like there are so many features just like that. It should be more like dominant. If I show you, it's building, still building, I don't know. Yeah, so the thing is, mainly how it's work is it requires a string of list of strings, then it requires a controller. Mainly you don't need anything else. Then you have to, like if you want, you can do the styling, and after the styling you can just have to do this part. This is one important part, which is suggestion callback. So basically what it returns a string of pattern, which is what is the string the user is typing. So based on that, what we do is we create a match string. Matches add all from the suggestion, right? Then we can like this, you can copy this. So firstly what we do, we lowercase the elements from each matches, then we check that it contains the pattern. Okay, so if the matches, what is matches? Basically it's the list of suggestion. Okay, and then we will apply the loop on the s. For each element we will add lowercase, so make it like equal for comparing, contains pattern. Still both are lowercase, like we have changed both to lower cases to make it like matching. So it will check. So if you type ABC, if you type hardware, so it will convert the B to lowercase and check how many patterns suggestion have B in their name, right? So if I show you, that's I will show you where I have added over here. So I have house number of like 101, 102. So if I type 1, okay, so basically what it does, it's, let me add a debugger over here. I'll show you exactly how it works. As soon as I hit 10, I go back again, I'm doing it 1. I don't think debugger is working in there. So basically it's matching from pattern to some. So this is like, you can copy the code, it will work in each and every condition you are required. After that, I have added certain condition according to my UI. You don't have to focus on this. Then you will need to build this part, right? So what this basically does, it is a item builder for elements inside it, which is like this elements, right? So it is like I'm giving the padding and then the string. I'm not doing any fancy thing over here. This is the name. I just I should have given like some according to my string. I can change the name accordingly. It's like item builder requires a string and the context, so it will print over here, right? After that, what is the last parameter? It is on suggestion selected. Basically it is called whenever the suggestion is taken. So if I click here, it will function, that function will call, and basically block text with suggestion changes to that, and a new block will also false because I have used the already existing block, right? So that's what happens with it. So similarly, there are so many other parameters as well. You can tweak it: auto flip direction, auto flip less direction, auto flip minimum height. I don't think it is needed. Direction is also needed. Error builder you can implement if you want to make sure, like if you have some data coming from the internet, you can have the error builder. So if it's certain error, you can utilize the error builder for that. After that, you have high keyboard, intercepting, key, loading builder, scroll controller, transition builder. I think these are like, the package provides like so much custom development. You can create like loading builders, and then you have error builder, you have a high keyboard button, intercepting, and you can also see I have implemented so many things: hide keyboard on drag, minimum character suggestion, get immediate suggestion, this, hide on empty, hide on error, hide on loading. So basically it helps you to make it like efficient and make the package very useful whenever they needed, right? Okay. And that's the part. After that, we have something what we call the suggestion box direction. We can also use that too. And focused error border, disabled border, I show you about that. So this is like my design, this is my decoration, and style, hint text, hint error, and stuff. And also there's enable suggestion, snapshot has data, enabled interaction, expand, autofocus, controller, everything. So you can also add the animation in this. So you can, I just show you, I just show you, right? Yeah, you can this is so customizable, it is very good to use, and I recommend this package. So you can get this package if I just show you in the code. I'll use my account, don't copy it, type ahead, just search the type ahead, go to type ahead, you found it. So basically it's here, you can see it's searching from the Java. It's very useful in the searches, so I'm using it that way. And if you like confused with the tutorial, you can just follow this basic. So basically you need only this thing, right? I'm using basically, as I told you, you require a builder, you require an item builder, you require on selected and suggestion call, nothing else. Okay, customizing layouts, you can customize it as I showed you. Builders, type of a decoration builder, also offset constraints, you can set it like variable. After that, you have three types of builder as I showed you. You can customize it: loading, error, and empty messages. Loading builder, this is right. Hiding the suggestion box, you can hide the suggestion box, like so many things are there. On loading, on focus, and everything you can control it like from here too. And all the other focuses, migrations, like this is not important, you can just delete it. So using that, we can easily build this file, which is right. So I can see it's completely working. So thank you, and I hope you will have that's it, right? Bye, have a nice day.